Hey guys, it's Megan from Sawgrass, and today we want to show you how you can take your vinyl creations to the next level using Easy Subli ink. Now, we know a lot of you are already taking the products you make, giving them to family members, maybe even selling them, and we want to show you how you can enhance what you already have using full vibrant colors and creating new products on hard surfaces that people might want to see. Check it out. You can create coasters, mugs, keychains, metal plates, even cutting boards using your Sawgrass printer. Now, I know it might sound a little scary going into something different, but we promise you it's not, because we use an easy 3-step process. Create, print, press. It's really that easy. Go to your computer, go to the Sawgrass website, open up Creative Studio. Now, it's a product only for Sawgrass customers. So when you open it up, you're gonna see designs that we upload every single week. Pick out the design you want, choose the product you want to use. Then when you're ready to print, you're going to take your vinyl and put it inside our Sawgrass printer. You see the printer is small, compact, fits on just about any desktop. Now once that image comes out of the printer, you're going to put it into your cutter. And everything from here is basically the same. You're going to put that image onto your product, put it in the heat press, but when it comes out, now here's where it's going to be different. You're gonna see beautiful, vibrant colors on whatever you're making. There's not gonna be any more layering vinyl, no more hauling around big rolls of vinyl and stacking it. This is a one-stop shop for beautiful, vibrant color every single time. Now, if you do wanna work with some of the hard products, it's really easy. What you're gonna do is go into Creative Studio, you're gonna pick the design that you want, then you're gonna go to templates. And we have templates, hundreds of them, generated for all the products that you can print on. So take one of the templates, whether it's a mug, a keychain, or a nameplate, and it's gonna be measured out to the exact size of the item that you wanna use. That means no guessing work on your end. So once you pick that template, you're gonna print out your design on paper that comes with our Sawgrass printer. When it prints out, it's gonna be the exact size and shape of the product that you're using. What you're then gonna do is use heat tape to apply that paper onto the product that you wanna design on. Then from here on out, everything is basically the same. You're gonna go to your heat press, you're gonna heat your product up, then you're gonna peel that paper off, and once again, you're gonna see beautiful, vibrant colors that, guess what, is right inside of that product. It's not on top of that product, it is inside that product. So no matter how much scratching, dropping, washing you do, that vibrant color is going to stay. Thanks for joining us, guys. Keep up with more videos on social media. We'll see you again soon.